7 years ago, we created Legion Solar. Since, it's been widely adopted across the US and around the world. What makes Legion Solar so unique is our patented artificial intelligence computer that contains the generated energy behind your meter. In other words, the energy that you create stays on your private property and does not flow back to the utility-owned power grid. Our unique solution allows you to generate your own clean energy at 1/3 the price of traditional solar systems. The utility company only sees less consumption from you and not a grid-tied solar system. The result is that you automatically get a lowered electric bill. It's that simple. We've listened to our customers' feedback and we're proud to introduce new and exciting features. Introducing Legion Solar 7 with new Wi-Fi remote access, new daisy chain wireless communication for improved range and reliability, dual processor for up to 10 times faster Bluetooth interface with the Legion Solar app, and new off-grid power solutions for RVs and campers. Legion Solar is a plug-and-play solar system that installs in minutes, requires no utility company permission, delivers instant results, scales anytime, pays for itself 3 times faster than traditional solar systems. Legion Solar can generate energy at night and works with all utility meters and any grid standard worldwide. First, get the starter set. The starter set includes lightweight solar panels, a microinverter, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled interface for smartphone monitoring of your power and savings, and a solar regulator to contain the generated energy behind your meter. We also provide you with aluminum Z brackets for easy do-it-yourself mounting. The starter set will make a noticeable impact to your utility bill right away. The deluxe starter set includes a battery commander for nighttime energy production. We also have a solution for emergency preparedness. The deluxe starter set with off-grid controller and off-grid inverter allows you to offset your nighttime consumption and the ability for you to use your appliances so that you and your family can have peace of mind when grid power goes down. Once you're familiar with the starter set, add expansion sets anytime to increase your energy production to further reduce your utility bill. For each expansion set, you can add a battery commander to offset your nighttime consumption. Legion Solar is customizable to meet your needs and budget. Legion Solar is not only capable of reducing your electric bill to nearly zero, our system makes financial sense where it outperforms nearly all other forms of energy in long-term energy production value and outperforms nearly all other financial institution investments. For the first time, investing in your own clean energy equipment can be profitable for your bottom line. It's your best defense for protecting yourself against inflation and the rapidly rising energy prices. Legion Solar 7 includes a new upgraded Gen 5 microinverter with daisy chain wireless support, the new Battery Commander 3 also with daisy chain wireless support for improved range, speed, and reliability, the new Solar Regulator 4.0 with Wi-Fi remote access, and a dual processor for 10 times faster app interface via Bluetooth. Legion Solar 7 also introduces our new off-grid solutions for RVs and campers. The RV starter set allows you to connect your RV to have shore power anytime and anywhere. It comes with a 3000 watt off-grid inverter, a 2560 watt-hour lithium battery, and an AC battery charger. This setup is ideal for replacing noisy gas generators. The RV Deluxe starter set includes 300 watt solar panels, a solar charge controller capable of connecting up to 1500 watts of solar panels to charge your lithium batteries. Legion Solar 7 also introduces 3 new safe and lightweight lithium iron phosphate batteries for replacing your stock 12-volt lead acid batteries. Legion Solar 7 is now ready for production. With your support, we can continue to advance technologies to tap into the unlimited and free power of our sun.